Hello, dear students. Welcome back to our news channel. Students, today we are taking to the skies to talk about pilots, their work schedules, and a major legal battle over rest hours. Imagine this. You are a pilot. You are responsible for flying hundreds of passengers safely across the country or even the world. Your job is not just about pressing buttons and wearing a cool uniform, but it's also about extreme focus, quick decision making, and handling emergencies at 35,000 feet. But what happens when pilots are pushed to their limits? Can exhaustion in the cockpit put lives at risk? Well, that's exactly what pilots in India have been arguing for the last 6 years. And just recently, on in February only, the Delhi High Court made an important ruling in favor of pilots. It decided that most of the new relaxed duty and rest rules proposed by the government's aviation regulator DGCA, okay, DGCA uh, would take effect from July 1, 2025. But the question is, why did pilots have to fight for something as basic as rest? And what is the DGCA, the authority responsible for making and enforcing uh, aviation rules in India? All right, so that is what we are going to talk about. First, before we get into the whole legal battle, let's understand what the DGCA is. And a Directorate General of Civil Aviation. Yes. So, Directorate General DGCA is what it and what does what exactly it does. Students, DGCA is the government body responsible for regulating aviation safety in India. Okay, it is responsible for what? Basically, regulating aviation safety in India. It ensures that airlines, pilots, and aircraft manufacturers follow strict safety guidelines. कि भाई जो गाइडलाइंस है उसके अकॉर्डिंग ही काम करना है सभी एयरलाइंस को, पायलट्स को और एयरक्राफ्ट मैन्युफैक्चरर्स को. और ये साथ ही साथ इट इज ऑल्सो रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर यू नो द issuing of licenses to pilots, which approves flight schedules and investigate accidents. So DGCA बहुत important organization है. It also decides on flight duty time limitation. Okay, decides on what? Flight duty time limit. Flight duty time limit. इसका मतलब क्या है? Meaning that it sets rules on how long pilots can fly and how much rest they need to ensure safety. Okay, तो ये सारी चीजें डीजीसीए ही डिसाइड करती हैं. सो थिंक ऑफ द डीजीसीए इज लाइक अ रेफरी इन अ फुटबॉल मैच. It makes the rules, it ensures that everyone follows them and steps in when something goes wrong. Now, let's rewind a few years back to 2019 when DGCA changed pilot duty rules. Okay, what happened? What's the whole controversy all about? राइट. तो हुआ क्या था इन 2019 में? 19 में क्या हुआ था? बेसिकली डीजीसीए ने फ्लाइट जो नाइट फ्लाइट्स पायलट्स थी उनका जो नंबर थे इनको इंक्रीज कर दिया था. राइट. तो डीजीसीए बेसिकली इंक्रीज्ड द नंबर ऑफ नाइट फ्लाइट pilots, uh, number of night flights that pilots could fly from 1 to 2 consecutive nights. तो 1 से 2 दिन तक उन्होंने इंक्रीज कर दिया था. और इसके साथ ही साथ इसमें और किसी चीजें क्या इंक्लूड हो गई? सो इट ऑल्सो रिड्यूस द रेस्टिंग पीरियड फॉर पायलट्स ऑन लॉन्ग हॉल फ्लाइट्स. तो जो लंबी जो फ्लाइट्स होती हैं तो अब कंसेक्यूटिवली 2 नाइट से तो ऑफकोर्स उसमें सिंपल सी बात है कि उसमें रेस्टिंग जो पीरियड है उनका वो भी रिड्यूस हो जाएगा. And it also allowed airlines to make exceptions during emergencies like bad weather or delays, forcing pilots to fly longer hours. आप ये देख लो कि अगर बैड वेदर होगा, डिलेज हो गए, तो ऐसे एक्सेप्शंस भी एयरलाइंस को अलाउ कर दिया कि भाई उस टाइम पर भी जो पायलट्स हैं उनको फ्लाई करने को बोला जाएगा। अब इससे होगा क्या? इससे ये होगा कि उनका रेस्टिंग पीरियड रिड्यूस हो जाएगा। आप इमेजिन करो कि एक पायलट है जो कि फ्लाइट को लेके पूरे एरोप्लेन को लेके जा रहा है, उसमें बहुत पीछे पैसेंजर्स भी हैं। अगर लैक ऑफ रेस्टिंग पीरियड की वजह से कुछ भी हो सकता है, हेल्थ इश्यूज आ सकते हैं, तो उसकी वजह से सबकी जो लाइफ है वो रिस्क में हो सकती है, राइट? एंड पायलट्स ऑफ कोर्स दे weren't happy about this. Why? Because flying at night is extremely tiring. See, our body's natural clock, circadian rhythm, it tells us to sleep at night. So when pilots work multiple night shifts, their concentration and reflexes slow down. And studies also show that fatigue in pilots can be as dangerous as flying drunk. तो जैसे आपने कभी सुना होगा न्यूज में कि ड्रिंकिंग एंड ड्राइविंग इज नॉट गुड, राइट? तो वैसे ही अगर फैटीग होगा पायलट्स में, थकान होगी, टायर्डनेस होगी, तो इट विल बी एज डेंजरस एज फ्लाइंग ड्रंक, राइट? So with more budget airlines operating international flights, many pilots were flying all night and then doing return flights immediately. Some were staying awake for nearly 24 hours. कुछ तो ऐसे pilots थे उनको 24 hours तक वो जागते रहते थे. Imagine 24 hours तक आप सो भी नहीं पा रहे हो. And the situation got so bad that pilots started collapsing from exhaustion. And in 2023, what happened? There was one Indigo pilot, Captain Manoj Balasubramaniam. He suffered a heart attack at Nagpur airport just before his flight. And many suspected this punishing work schedule played a huge role. Right? तो ये सारी चीजें हैं जो उनके हेल्थ से रिलेटेड हो रही है, जैसे यहाँ पर भी मेंशन है। अब क्या हो रहा है 2024 की अगर हम बात करें, तो बहुत सारे ऐसे इंसिडेंट्स हो गए थे। सिर्फ इंडिगो कैप्टन मनोज सुब्रमण्यम का ही नहीं, बहुत सारे ऐसे केसेस भी हो रहे थे जिसमें पायलट्स पे बहुत ज़्यादा प्रेशर बढ़ रहा था, राइट? सो seeing this, DGCA now proposed new rules to give pilots more rest. And these included that now there will be increase in weekly rest from 36 hours to 48 hours. तो अब 36 hours to 48 hours का resting period होगा. Forcing, and this will also force airlines to report cases of pilot fatigue to the DGCA. ओके और साथ ही साथ अब नाइट ड्यूटी को 2 से जो नाइट ड्यूटी थी उसको उसके चेंजेस उसमें लेकर आए हैं कि ये वहां पर एक क्लियरर डेफिनेशन होनी चाहिए कि नाइट आवर्स कितने होते हैं। ऐसा नहीं कि भाई कि अगर बोल दिया है कि भाई 2 कंसेक्यूटिव है तो लगातार ही पायलट को बोला जा रहा है कि आप फ्लाई करेंगे, नहीं, उसमें प्रॉपर डेफिनेशन होगी कि नाइट आवर्स में क्या क्या इंक्लूडेड है, राइट? एंड देन capping landings at 2 per night shift. So this was a big win for pilots. But just when they thought things would change, airlines strongly opposed the reforms. तो जैसे उन्हें लगा कि अरे नहीं अब तो सिचुएशन ठीक हो जाएगा, लेकिन तभी पता चला कि एयरलाइंस ने प्रपोज करना शुरू कर दिया. Because what airlines are arguing, they are saying that if pilots work less, they will need to hire more pilots, which is expensive for them. Moreover, more rest hours for pilots could lead to flight cancellations and higher ticket prices. Now, because of airline protest, the DGCA put the new rules on hold, and this angered pilots who then this whole situation angered the pilots, है ना? कि एक तो न्यू रूल्स अब लेकर आए, उस पे भी होल्ड पे डाल दिया. So what they did, they took the matter to the Delhi High Court in May 2024. And this case went on for nearly a year, and pilots argued that their health and passenger safety were at risk. Moreover, they also said that India's aviation laws were outdated compared to the US and Europe. And if they are being overworked and not given enough time to rest properly, this will also put the safety of passengers at risk. So, Delhi High Court, what they did, they finally ruled in favor of pilots, and it ordered that most of the new rest rules will take effect from July 1, 2025. And some of the more complex changes, like night shift definitions, will be implemented by November 1, 2025. So, this means that pilots will soon get better work conditions and safer schedules. All right. तो ये सारी चीज़ें थी जो उसमें मेंशन की गई थी। अब अगर हम बिगर पिक्चर के बारे में बात करें कि व्हाई पायलट फैटीग इज अ ग्लोबल इशू। सी स्टूडेंट्स, पायलट फैटीग इजंट जस्ट एन इशू इन इंडिया। ऐसा नहीं कि सिर्फ ये इंडिया में ही है, ऐसा पूरे वर्ल्ड पे है, पूरे एक ग्लोबल इशू है। In 2009, what happened? An Air France flight crashed into the Atlantic Ocean partly because the tired pilots made errors in judgment. तो 2009 में एक एयर फ्रांस फ्लाइट क्रैश हो गई थी अटलांटिक ओशन में। क्यों? क्योंकि जो पायलट थे वो टायर्ड थे, एंड दे मेड एरर्स इन जजमेंट। Then again in 2018, a Lion Air flight crashed, and investigators found that the crew was fatigued and overworked. Again, सोचो, आप ये इमेजिन करो कि फैटीग की वजह से, थकान की वजह से फ्लाइट्स क्रैश हो रही हैं। अब वो ज़्यादा कंसर्निंग है अगर हम इस चीज़ के और ध्यान देते हैं तो, right? So to prevent such tragedies, countries like US and European Union, what they decided, they came up with strict rest rules for pilots. But in India, pilots don't have strong labor unions, so airlines often get away with punishing them to their limits, right? Now what happened? Ab kya hoga? What's next? So now, since the court has ruled in favor of pilots, airlines must adjust. They may need to hire more pilots to meet the न्यू वर्क आवर लिमिट्स। अब ऐसा कि इस डिसीजन के बाद से अब उन्हें क्या है, अब उन्हें हायरिंग करनी ही पड़ेगी, क्योंकि अगर रेस्ट ही नहीं मिलेगा तो वो तो फिर नहीं ठीक है ना, राइट? तो अब यही चीज होगी। However, for passengers, like passengers जो है उनके वो क्या उन्हें देखने को मिलेगा, they might see slight increase in airfare. Since airlines will be spending more on staff, so of course they will be extracting this amount from the customers only. But many believe that safety should come before profits. है ना? अब प्रॉफिट से ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट क्या है? सेफ्टी। तो सेफ्टी ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट है, राइट? सो व्हाट्स द टेक अवे फ्रॉम टुडेज एपिसोड? आज हमने क्या क्या देखा? सबसे पहले तो pilots, they have students, yes, this is true that pilots have one of the toughest jobs in the world, right? One of the toughest jobs. And we know that fatigue is dangerous, not just for pilots, but for passengers too. And the new DGCA rules are a step in the right direction for safety and well being of pilots as well as the passengers. All right. So, students, next time you board a flight, remember, behind that calm, smiling pilot is someone who deserves a fair work schedule, proper rest, and a safe working environment. All right, so that's all for today's episode. If you found this episode interesting, share it with your friends and family, and see you next time with another deep dive into the news that matters. Bye bye.